Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you have a warehouse, barn, or chicken coop that doesn't have electricity and is super dark at night, then you are going to love this solar barn light from HULPPRE. The first thing I love about this light is that it is super bright. I was surprised that a solar light could illuminate as much as this one does. We have a warehouse that's quite large and it doesn't have any wired lights in it. And this is so nice and bright. It makes it wonderful to be able to go out at night. And that's thanks to these 96 LEDs that this light has. The second thing I love about it is that it has a nice long cord. What we did was attach the solar panel to the outside of our warehouse and then threaded the wire through one of our warehouse doors. And then we were able to hang the pendant light quite easily, as you can see. I love that it shows me the charging status so I can see exactly where it's at. And it also comes with two remotes because there's no way I would be able to reach this light. And if you're using it in an area that might have two entryways, then you could just hang the remote on both of those sides. So it's so nice that it comes with two. There's a lot of different options for the light too. With the remote, you can dim it, set a timer on it, or you can have it come on automatically when it's dark out. It's just really nice and bright, and I love it. I could not be happier with this burn light. It's perfect. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.